Did you see this news with Lil Nas X? You follow that?
Yeah. I just saw the headline. I didn't read too much into it.
Yeah. So, you know the Mischief guys, right?
Yeah.
So they did the Jesus shoe. And we did the Jesus shoe. They sent it to us.
Yep.
And people were super curious about that shoe. They watched that video. It got a lot of coverage.
It's not even here.
It set the precedent.
Oh.
Brad Hall's up there. Give him the shout out.
Okay.
Yeah, Ultimate Flex shoe. I mean, it got a lot of views. You can see, well, I mean, on the Brad Hall channel, he pulled together 500,000. Great video. You know what? We got to bring him up as a guest right here.
Yeah.
We got to figure that out.
We had him as a guest.
No,
well.
I know. He hasn't visited in a while. And now that everything is, well, things are starting to cool down or calm down a little bit. Oh, it's time to come back.
Yes.
Anyway.
He's welcome anytime.
Anyway. So these are the shoes I'm talking about. They put the holy water in the Air Max, in the sole, and they customized it. It has no affiliation with Nike. Nike did not endorse it. In fact, I don't think Nike was all that happy about it, but they did a limited number. The price was already big to begin with, and then it went even higher on StockX.
Yes.
Because it was just so limited. Oh, there's our video in the top right over there. 5.7 million over there. Like, people were interested in this. And it was received relatively well. Like, it had, 150,000 thumbs up, 5,000 down. So people weren't offended by it or anything like that. Or I'm sure some people were offended by it. Oh my God.
Oh.
What the?
Who's this guy?
What was that?
I don't know.
You were sitting over there?
I edited myself into videos.
Holy cow. Wow, you were just sitting over there.
Yeah.
In this video.
Just words.
I don't even remember that era.
Yeah.
You were just over there. You had a jacket on or something.
Yeah, it was chilly.
Whoa. Anyway, getting back to today. Mischief teams up with Lil Nas X. Again, no affiliation with Nike. Not an official product. They just take a number of Air Max sneakers and mod them, essentially, and sell them. Except this time, it ain't Jesus, it's the devil this time. And they do 666 pairs. And Lil Nas X puts out a music video. By the way, did you see that music video?
I didn't.
Holy cow.
It was trending, though.
Yeah, it was, I don't even, outside of the whole aspect of the devil stuff, it was a very comprehensive music video, like difficult music video to make.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, anyway, it has a whole devil theme to it. So he's got this thing going on. This is his marketing thing right now with his new music. And so he teams up with Mischief to do the sneaker. And his sneaker's super limited. And I guess you got to tweet to enter. I'm not sure. But this time around, they take it a step further. So in the last shoe, the Jesus shoe, they had holy water in the sole. On this one, they have red ink and, wait for it, a drop of human blood.
Oh, only a drop?
A drop.
Oh.
You wanted all that to be human blood?
Oh, yeah.
Sheesh.
Oh, yeah.
Now, they sourced the human blood from the team over at Mischief, giving themselves, sacrificing themselves for the cause. But this one has been received a lot more controversially for obvious reasons.
Sure, yeah.
And look, man, it's all marketing. It's all marketing. This thing is getting lifted from both sides. Like, there's the people who think it's funny, or not funny, but there's the people who think of it as kind of, for what it is, a gimmick. And then there's other people who would take it far more deeply.
Yeah.
But it's, you try to run the analysis on it, and I'll tell you what, all the sneakers going to sell out because they're limited, because they got the attention, and because I saw what happened the last time around.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I don't know if I want to purchase it with the blood and the soul myself.
You don't?
You know? So the winner is drawn by lottery on April 1st. That's an interesting date too, right? That's April Fool's Day.
Mm.
Ooh, they line that up. That's kind of interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
That you would
So
get the sneakers on Fool's Day.
So that's like in 2 days?
There's a quote on there, by the way. Let's see where it is. Not a quote, a passage, a Bible passage. 10:18 is the Bible passage. It reads, and they got it on the side, and it's also the price of the sneaker, $1,018. And the passage is from Luke 10:18. It reads, I saw Satan fall like lightning from heaven.
Mm.
So, you know, they're going all in, just like they did with the last sneaker.
Yeah, they're having fun with it. Let's see who interprets it wrong.
Yeah, but Will, you have to understand these symbols to some people is very sensitive stuff.
Sure, yeah.
And
Look at this symbol.
you know, there's I guess to some people there's historical significance here.
Yeah.
That there's some things here that people don't want to play with.
Mm-hmm. I'm curious about the backlash.
So
is it going to be towards Mischief or Lil Nas?
Well, that's actually, I'm glad you said that, because I think what happened last time with the Jesus shoes was actually a lot of backlash got targeted right at Nike under the assumption that they had something to do with it.
Yeah.
Now, that's one thing if you got the Jesus shoe, which sure, it's similar, controversial, whatever, less so than this one. And Nike has already come out and put their statement out there, but I kind of wonder if Nike doesn't escalate the situation this time. And I'm not telling them to do it, by the way. I think, damn, you want to customize the shoe and sell it? Customize the shoe and sell it. I don't recommend that they do such a thing. I don't think it's necessarily going to be a good look for them.
Mm-hmm.
But this time around,
they deny involvement again.
They deny involvement again. And this time around, I kind of wonder, you know, where their brand is and the fact that the Nike component is such a big part of it.
Right.
Like, just imagine this collab, but it isn't a Nike Air Max.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have the same thing to it, does it?
No.
So it's complex. In a way, you kind of need the Nike brand to legitimize it for sneaker collectors and the types that would be super interested in a limited pair of 666. I mean, without that symbol. And there's something about the Air Max origin of having this bubble and then filling it with something.
Yes.
Everybody knows the bubble.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm curious to see if Nike leaves it there. And I don't know if there's anything they can do for the record, and I don't recommend they do anything. I'm just saying it's going to be curious to watch that time around. But sold out, one pair remains. So I guess they sold out the 666, and one pair remains.
Yeah.
Wild stuff. Anyway, they got your attention. They got everybody's attention. And Lil Nas X doesn't care.
No.
He actually says
he's having fun with it.
Well, I don't know if he's having fun. It actually seemed like he got a little bit of pain himself, because he came out and tweeted that he hated himself because of the stuff that was preached. You know?
Huh?
And so I hope you are mad, stay mad. Feel the same anger you teach us to have towards ourselves. So I'd seem a little bit deeper is what I'm trying to get at.
Oh.
Here. He's getting some backlash, and he's meeting it with some level of anger or emotion, let's say. So I don't think it's only a laugh.
Right.
Or it is, and it's all part of the buildup. I don't know.
Yeah. I want to follow up. I want to see.
Well, we'll follow up. We'll see. Let's see what transpires, man. I mean, it's the thing I'm just trying to say is it's meant to be controversial. This is the whole point of it. That's, I guess, the thing I'm trying to get to. So when you are considering your own reaction, just the recognition that that's kind of what it's going for. Mm-hmm. It's going for a reaction.
outrage.
Yeah, it's not meant to not get a reaction. I mean, they want a reaction.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter which direction. It does the work.
Mm-hmm.